Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Vondra and welcome back to my channel, Typical Black Queen.
Like a queen, like a queen upon her throne.
I am back with another No More Damage Challenge video. If you missed out on my last video, which I'll link that above, I partnered with the Q-Redo hair steamer for the No More Damage Challenge. This challenge was created by Q-Redo to help me, help you, help promote healthy hair practices. So in the next couple of months, I'll be uploading videos to help you stay away from damaging your hair so you can have that growth that you want, that fullness that you want, that thickness that you want, density, softness, and moisturization. All with the help of the Q-Redo. Before we get into this video though, there's two things that need to be addressed. Number one, before y'all chop my head off, let's do some shout outs. Shout out to Oluoma U. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. If I didn't, please correct me so I can say it right the next time. But girl, yes, you were on time this time, so you deserve a shout out. Hey girl, hey. This shout out goes to one of the many captains that I have in my notification gang, Miss Myrna Joseph. Girl is always the first one to comment and I have to give you a shout out. Hey girl, hey. And my last but not least shout out goes to Catherine Miller. Catherine, I'm so happy you have your own Q-Redo. It's a lifesaver, isn't it? And I hope you're doing this No More Damage Challenge with me. So like I said, I need to do two things. And you know what the second thing is? Do you know? Well, you about to find out now. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and become my friend because I don't share these tips for free with strangers. We gotta become friends, and the only way that we can become friends is if you tap that red subscribe button below, okay? Now that we have those formalities out of the way, let's get into it. The current state of my hair right now is not super dry, but not super moisturized. I shampooed and conditioned my hair last week, so it's not super dirty, and it doesn't have a lot of product buildup because I used only 3 products when styling my hair. And I never added any more products to refresh my twist out style. Let me just give you a glimpse of that pop-in twist out that I had all week, sis. It was lit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In the last video, we talked about using the Q-Redo hair steamer to help detangle and elongate our hair. This video is geared towards those lazy naturals who don't have time for wash day, but they want to pop in style. I've had this twist out style for exactly a week today, and I'm ready to switch it up. So I'm going to be using my Q-Redo to reshape and restyle my hair. So I know you're probably wondering, what type of damage control are we doing in this video? Like I said before, my hair isn't completely dirty, so getting it completely wet and saturated with water just to shampoo it and condition it is unnecessary. This is where the Q-Redo comes in. Q-Redo is a unique, convenient, handheld hair steamer specifically designed to help you quickly detangle, hydrate, reshape, stretch, rejuvenate, and add moisture and to boost texture and volume. Believe it or not, you can cause damage to your hair by using excessive amounts of water. And what I use with my Q-Redo is to reshape and restyle my hair with the minimal amount of water from the steam. Using the Q-Redo to stretch and detangle, my hair is left slightly damp. I grabbed one of my new favorite hydrating and twisting butters and began to 2-strand twist along the front of my hair. Now we're at the most exciting part of the video that is my favorite. I want to do a updo wash and go style. We all know with our thick 4C dense low porosity hair that wash and goes can take forever to dry, but not with the Q-Redo. That minimal amount of moisture from the steam allows my hair to get that wash and go definition with the minimal amount of drying time. What I love about this style is that it's easy to do, it's fast drying, and any lazy natural can pull it off within a decent amount of time. You can even switch up this style by pulling your 2-strand twist back and having a textured updo look. The Q Redo is the best tool to use to re-moisturize and restyle your hair in between cleansing days without saturating your hair with water. I would love for you all to join me on my No More Damage Challenge journey by clicking the link in the description box. And just because I love y'all so much, get a 15% discount by using code TYPICALBlackQueen. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you really loved it, go ahead and share. Until next time, curl friends, see you later.